At Foray Motor Group, we're committed to keeping your vehicle on the road and your business moving. That's why we're proud to introduce Foray Uptime Services. A free service designed for everyone from sole traders with a single van to businesses managing a multi-vehicle fleet. By opting into the service, we can proactively monitor your connected Ford commercial vehicles, help you stay ahead of servicing, maintenance and potential faults to keep your vehicles working for you and your business. So, how does it work? Using the vehicle's built-in modem, we can receive important vehicle information and identify when your Ford may need attention. This means we can work with you to plan maintenance in advance rather than waiting for a problem to disrupt your working day. Foray Uptime Services is completely free of charge and simple to set up. To activate the service, simply make sure your vehicle's modem is activated in the Ford app and that the Uptime Service permission is selected within the app's permissions. Once activated, we can proactively contact you when your vehicle needs attention. If your vehicle is approaching a scheduled service, for example, we can help arrange an appointment at a convenient time. If the vehicle reports a fault, we can identify it early and help get your vehicle booked in before it becomes a bigger inconvenience. By planning ahead, we can help to reduce unnecessary repeat visits, minimise your vehicle's downtime and keep disruption to your business to a minimum. Say hello to the future of vehicle care. Activate Foray Uptime Services free of charge today and let us help keep your business moving.